from Jari Mayam. I'm here again, your local reactor from Philippines. I'm Jayson, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. And I'm happy to see you again, and so excited again to react another Manipur music. And this is all for you guys, especially from Northeast India, from Manipur, Northeast India. They're still there to watching my reaction of video, and they're always still there to waiting my reaction of video every day. But you know, guys, there is a day that I'm not doing a reaction of video, so please forgive me on that day, guys, because you know, this is not only my work here, and you know, I'm so busy with my job here in Doha, Qatar, and what don't you worry, guys, because every time that I have a time, I'm so excited also, and I'm so happy to make a reaction of video, and this is for you, all of you guys. So yes, our next reaction of video is all about Manipuri music, and the title of this song is HULLIBA EHOOLSE, featuring Biju Ningombam and Bung. Is that a Bung or Bung Yumnam? Official music video 2022 only, guys, this year only. And this is uploaded by Tantha, my favorite channel, because this kind of channel, guys, this channel is very active, you know, when it comes Manipuri music. So this channel, I always I get my reaction of video music here in this channel, guys. So I'm so thankful for this channel, because they're always giving me opportunity to react their different music. Alright, so are you ready, guys? Are you excited? So before that, make sure that you are subscribing my channel first, and don't forget to hit that bell button for me for more latest update reaction of video here in my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Production. HULLIBA EHOOLSE. Is that correct pronunciation? EHOOLSE. Who's this? Biju? Yeah, Biju. This one, Biju. This is wow. Wow. I don't know if they're angry, they're both angry, or they feel so, you know, love at first sight. Oh, their neighborhood only, huh? Wow. There is something. Oh, right. I think this guy, he, you know, he feels so in love. Yeah. He always following this girl. Wow. Hey! She hiding and then she looking. Oh, there's the guy. And then, oh, wow, that was so sweet. That was so romantic. Oh, who's this girl? Oh! Oh! So sad about this happening. Oh, where are you going? He left. Nice. Wow. Something message. Hey, I get some of his urgent work for 5 days. I wish you stay safe. Hey! Wow, to be continued. Wow. Oh my goodness. You hanging, guys? Are you hanging on this music? Ah, my. By the way, guys, the singer of this music is Reshi Brahmacharimayum and Tampasana. So, yeah, this, I think this is not end of this story. There was a second part, so I'm so excited to watch it again. I thought this guys, he left in this house, and the good things here, there's some message that he sent to this girl, and he have urgent work in this office. I think that was the message. I can't remember. But he said that this girl, he wants to be a safe guys. So maybe in the second part there was more excitement moment there, and very romantic scene there. So watch out for that, for the second part on this story of music of HULLIBA EHOOLSE by or featuring Biju Ningombam and Bung Yumnam. Wow, that was so perfect. Very romantic scene or story of this music. I'm so enjoy, and oh my goodness, I like it so much, guys. I know some of you also are so in love. That was so very romantic. Honestly, guys, because this kind of music, it makes you feel in love every day, guys. So you better to watch always a Manipuri music. So guys, I hope you enjoy this kind of a reaction video that I made it for you today. So if you like, guys, please like this and share this to your families and friends, and give this a lot of a thumbs up, guys, please. And one more thing, for those new to my channel, again, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video like this on my channel. So see you on my next reaction of video, guys. I love you all, and Tagachari, guys, Tagachari. God bless you. Bye.